Okay, so you can create a complete tool website or any other type of website within minutes with this AI, and which is completely free, and you can create unlimited websites for now. This website is known as chat.z.ai, which is China's most powerful AI nowadays, and it has newly launched its new AI model GLM 4.6, which is far better than many of the AIs. And the most important part is it is completely free, so you can create a complete websites using this tool. So first of all, you will come here and just log in, and then you will see an interface like this, and here you can see your previous chats, and here you can see AI slides, full stack, magic design, and other options. So the most important thing is full stack, which help us to create our truly desired website completely. So you have to choose full stack, and now here you will give a prompt which type of website you need, and it will simply creates code on the left side, and you can see the preview on the right side, just like lovable and bold new AI. So here I will give it a prompt about create a website of tools which converts PNG to JPG, JPG to PNG, Word to PDF, and PDF to Word, and etc. And now I have given it a simple prompt, and let's see what this website do and how it creates a website. So start thinking, just like I click on deep think. So it takes some times, but I think it creates website within 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see how fast it is. And here you can see it creates comprehensive file conversion for website, and it creates almost 10 tasks like plan, project, structure, and create man, layout, build front-end UI with conversion toolcards, create file upload components for each conversion type, implement PNG to JPG, JPG to PNG, and Word to PDF and PDF to Word, and add more conversion tools like WEP and iCode TXT, etc. Add download functionality and progress indicator. Test all the conversion and fix any issues. Okay, so it's adopt all the required information I give it, and now start working on it. And here you can see it start creating a complete website, and let's see how it makes the website. And here you can see it create home pages, and it marks it task like one task it completes, second one is, and third one is auto complete, and it's at number 9, and below it is working on four tasks, and so on. So we have to wait some time to see what results it give, and now we are waiting for it, and it start working on the fourth one, and it's also implement terminal tasks, as you can see, just like our VS Code and another. And here you can see on the right side it give us preview of what he is creating. So let me wait some time to see what kinds of tool website it will create. And here you can see it start working on another task, which is JPG to PNG, and we have to wait some time and then see how much efficient it is. Okay, so here our website is complete, and you can see on the right side the preview it creates, and it is better because we don't give it special CSS to create a layout or user interface. So we will only check the basic functionality of the website, if it is working or not. So here I create on choose files, and here I create any JPG, and click on JPG to PNG, and it start converting the file, and here you can see conversion completed, and below you can see the download link, and we can see if it is working or not. So it is working, It means that it creates website within 4 to 3 to 4 minutes, which is far better. And the most important thing is it is easy to use it, and also it is completely free. So here you can see all the things, and now you can start on downloading, and you can publish it as well. As you can see, it is almost get published and it is deploying, which it takes more than less than 1 minute. And now let's wait some time to see how it works. So our website is ready. Here you can see it completely deployed, almost free. And here you can see it working perfectly like this. And we can see convert to PNG, and it is converting the files, and here you can download it. So all the website is working, and here you can see you create a complete tools website within minutes, and now you can publish it in on Google, and you can earn money simply by converting tools. So the cost of creating this website is almost nothing, and here you can see the results. So this is the most powerful tool nowadays because it is almost free and easy to use. So you can create multiple apps or website using this tool. It is for today, and watch, like the video and subscribe, and we will meet in next video. So take care, bye.